Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange Jello poke cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 white or yellow cake mix and all the ingredients to make it on the back. So mine is 4 egg whites, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 1/4 cups of water that I have in this big bowl already. And then we need 3 ounces of orange Jello, 1 cup of boiling water, and then whipped topping. It only calls for 8 ounces of whipped topping, but I have 16 ounces here because you can never have too much. And then we need a 9x13 baking dish, and go ahead and spray that with cooking spray. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we are going to make our cake according to the back of the package. Alright, I am going to preheat my oven to 350, and I already sprayed my pan with cooking spray, so I'm going to set that to the side and combine all of my ingredients into a large bowl. Just my cake mix, my oil, my water, and my egg whites. Alright, all my ingredients are in this bowl, and I'm just going to mix that with my electric mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes, like the back of the box says. Alright, that looks great to me. So next I'm going to pour it into my pan and just bake it according to the back of the box, which is 34 to 38 minutes. Alright, my cake just came out of the oven, and I'm going to let this cool for at least 20 minutes before I poke my holes in it. Okay, my cake is nice and cooled off now. Mine's probably actually been out here for an hour cooling off. So I'm going to poke holes in it, and you just want to go every half an inch. You can do this with anything that you want to do it, even if you want to just use a fork, whatever you want to use, chopsticks, whatever you have to make holes. Just make sure you do not go all the way through, and you just want to do those every half inch. Alright, my holes are all made in here, so next I am going to get to work on my Jello. So I'm just going to boil my water and then add it to my Jello and just stir it until it's dissolved. Alright, I am pretty confident that all my Jello is dissolved here, so I am just going to pour it into all of the holes of my cake. You just want to make sure it all seeps down into the holes. Alright, that looks and smells so good. Now we have to cover this, and we are going to put it into the refrigerator 3 to 4 hours. Alright, I just got my cake out of the refrigerator and cut a little piece for taste tester so you could see the sides with the Jello in there. It looks so cute. Today is the season opener for the SEC, so the Vols are playing, so I thought the orange and white would be so cute. And we put some whipped cream on it over here because, hello, that just tastes so yummy. So let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Go Vols.
Go Vols.
Bye.